Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing this drone. So let's just check out what it looks like. Comes in a awesome case just like this. First and foremost, got the actual drone right here. Secondly, we got the controller. Third, got the battery. And fourth, all the gadgets that come with it. And of course, the instruction manual. So the accessories that it comes with are basically these guys, which help the drone not bump into things, and or if it bumps into things, that the drone doesn't get hurt. And then the charger for the drone right here. Oh, an extra wing. An extra wing in case one breaks. Or there's several wings in here. And then a little screwdriver. All right, so step one is we're just gonna go ahead and take out all the arms, or this part of the drone. And then let's see if it comes pre-charged. Just go ahead and hold and press. Oh, yes it does. That's amazing. So that's should be blinking, and that is basically how you just undo the drone. Then you want to go ahead and put these bumpers on. So to put the bumpers on, you want to go ahead and you want to insert, you see how there's like a little circles right there? You want to insert it into those two circles right there. Next, we're gonna set up the remote, and it doesn't come with batteries, so you're gonna need 3 AA batteries. And then you should hear that beep. And then this top part, you're gonna undo and open up for your phone, and that's where you're gonna put your phone so that you can see where the drone is going. And then that's what it will look like. Next, you want to download the app with a QR code. All right, so once the app is downloaded, you're gonna see a screen like this. Let's go ahead and start. So you'll know you're connected when you can see your drone or the camera on the screen. So for example, I'm just going to, oh, there's the camera, you see, so here's the camera, right, on the bottom. All right, so next you want to go ahead and use your remote. Make sure to set your drone on a flat surface, and then you want to either use your remote control diagonally up or diagonally down, like at a 45-degree angle, and down. And then that's when your drone is gonna start. Okay, so as you can see, it's a learning process to learn how to fly a drone. So I'm not gonna be perfect at this 100%, or it's gonna take a little bit of time. Plus, it's probably preferable to fly your drone outside instead of indoors. In general, that's how you set it up, that's how you start it. It's quite simple actually, but it's learning how to fly it properly. That's gonna be the big challenge. But if you would like to purchase this drone, it's in the link below. If you want to check out more unboxings, make sure to comment. Let me know what you think about this drone. Is this something you would buy? Is this something you wouldn't? Why or why not? I want to hear your thoughts, and make sure to give this video a like if you like it. All right, see ya.